So I'm going to have you pick the raffle ticket. Okay. All right. So as I talked about, I'm going to hang out right there. We are going to go ahead and we are going to give out dinner for two at the steakhouse. Yes, indeed. So Landon, I need you to kneel down for me. Kneel down. Okay, perfect. And I need you to close your eyes and dig in and grab one of those tickets for Jackpot Julie. Ooh, it's a purple card.
Landon, thank you. Good job.
Hey, where are you going? We're not done. Yeah, we just keep going. By the way, I love the bed head.
Hey everybody, it's Danny from Griswold Family Vacay, and Landon and I are here at the Carnival Cruise Line Build-A-Bear.
Alright, we're going to get started with our Build-A-Bear party in just a few moments. As we do, come on in, have a seat. Everybody should have received one of these. Just check in with our amazing team in blue, the youth team, and they'll make sure they have a chance to get you what you need for our Build-A-Bear party. So, give us just about one more minute. We're going to go through a heart ceremony, we're going to talk out details, and then we're going to get this party started. Yeah.
Alright, so anyway, we're here at Build-A-Bear, Carnival Cruise Lines. That's one thing they do offer for kids is Build-A-Bear Workshop. Those of you who know how Build-A-Bear Workshop works, it's pretty much the same process, I think. The way it works here on Carnival is you walk into the room where they're doing Build-A-Bear and they'll give you a heart. This is Landon's heart. That's Landon's heart for his bear. Okay, so then what they do next is they give you oh wait, let me retract. Before you even come, you have to make a reservation. Make a reservation through the Carnival Hub app for the date and the time. Right now it's Friday at 2 o'clock p.m. And so Landon won this coupon right here for going on stage. It says Build-A-Bear Workshop Party.
If your heart goes right here. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, so it told us where to go, it told us what times. The thing is that it doesn't include the bear's outfit. So unless Landon wants his bear to be bare naked, we'll have to pay for clothes. But anyway, you go to the main place, they ask for your reservation, you show it to them, they give you a heart, they give you a number. And that's where we're at right now. We'll come back on here in a few seconds when they tell us what the rest of the process is.
Have to make sure that we give them a big round of applause to. They're the ones that are really actually leading this event, so please give a big round of applause for this incredible youth team on board. Yeah. All right. So as we all came on through, you would have gotten two things. First thing that you would have got is a number. It's going to be a red or blue number. Can I see everybody's red or blue numbers?
So here are the numbers that they'll give you.
Perfect. So that's how we're going to call you up, and so that we have a nice orderly fashion. So when I call that number of yours, you'll make your way on down and we'll have a chance to get you all set with your friends today. Okay? However, you also should have received a heart. Can I see everybody's hearts? Can I see everybody's hearts? Perfect. So we're going to do a heart ceremony where we're going to connect ourselves to our friends for life. So I need everybody to stand up right now. Yes, this is everybody that can. I need you to stand up. Even if you're not building your own friend, you're going to support those that are. Thank you. Let's go. This is not the, there you go. I was like, this is not just a sit back and relax kind of event. Hello? Yeah, there you go. You're supporting all those that are here. Okay. All right. First thing that we have to do is we're going to connect ourselves to our friends. So we got to give our friends a nice heartbeat. So I need you to bounce up and down. Yeah, bounce up and down. Not going yet, so we got to go a little higher. Go higher. Faster, faster, faster. Go, 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 go. Okay, good. Breathe, breathe. Good. No black eyes today, Mom. So good. All right, here. Now what I need you to do is I need you to rub it against your eye. Rub it against your eye so that your friend becomes the apple of your eye. Oh, so cheesy. It's only getting better from here. Okay, good. Now I need you to rub it on your shoulder.
Rub it on your what?
So that you always have a friend to lean on. Yeah.
Hope this is a kid-friendly bear.
There you go. Okay. Now,
hope you're not making Ted.
Rub it on your knee. Rub it on your knee so that you always have a friend in need. Yeah. Oh, it's getting worse from here. Rub it on your toe. Rub it on your toe so that your friend is as totally awesome as you are. Yeah. Okay. Now rub it on your forehead so that they're just as smart as you are. Yeah. There you go.
It's gonna be one smart bear.
Good. Now I need you to rub it against your tummy.
Oh Lord.
So that you share the same appetite. I can't afford 2 of mine, so I'm gonna rub it on my friends. Thank you. Okay. Good. Now, I need you to close your eyes. Close your eyes. And you have to make a wish on your heart. Close your eyes and make a wish. Close your eyes and make a wish. And as soon as you made a wish on your heart, you have to seal it by giving it a kiss. I've got extra love for mine. Okay, you can go ahead and take a seat. All right, so as I told you, you're going to have a chance to come on over and to be able to get your friends.
Yeah, we're good. No, you're fine. Thank you.
There we go. Okay, perfect. All right. Now, what's going to happen is when I call you by that number, what's going to happen? Well, I'm glad you asked. You're going to have a chance to come on down and pick out your very own friend. Yes. Now we've got friends on the front and friends on the back. So we've got things like the cat in the hat. There's a snow leopard. Some of you can see that we have baby shark. That's gonna be stuck in your head all day. You're welcome, parents. Hit me later. Okay. We've also got on the back side. We've got some cats. We've got a bunny. We've got the bear that you can only get here. So this is a very exclusive friend that you can only get here on board. Okay. Now. Parents, guardians, just so you know, all of the friends are $28, okay? They're all $28, cool. Now, once you have a chance to pick out your friend, you're gonna make your way over to the wall of accessories. Everybody say, ooh. All right. Now, again, the wall of accessories, we've got accessories on the front and accessories on the back, so take a look at which is gonna be the coolest outfit for you and your friends. Parents, guardians. All of the accessories range from $8 to $16, okay? So just be careful. The word is yours. There you go. Now, after you have a chance to pick out the accessories, you're gonna make your way over to the stuffing station. Everybody say, ah. I know, right? Now, you can get it as fluffy as you would like it. So if you want it kind of like skinny, you can ask for a skinny fluff. If you want it like a normal one, you can do that. Or if you want it like oversized fluffy, you're gonna ask for the Marquee Special, okay? Thank you. There it is, okay? Now, once you get it fluffed to your satisfaction, you're going to get over to the table of stitching, where you're gonna get it stitched for eternity. How long is eternity? Forever, yes, okay? After you have a chance to get it stitched, the parents and guardians are gonna take care of the paying station, which is always the favorite. And then from there, you're gonna have a chance to make your way out with your friend to start the adventure. Sound good? That definitely wasn't everybody. All right, does that sound good? Okay, so then it's time to start our Build-A-Bear party, and I'm looking for those with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If that is you, you're gonna come on over. It's time to build a bear. Yay! This outfit, sir, is just everything. Where did you get it from?
I don't know.
Oh, no, who did?
My dad.
You got it from your dad. Okay. Now, it's very fashionable. Is it really comfortable? Yeah. Okay. And it looks new. Is this a new style that you're rocking?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, tonight is Elegant Night. Are you going to be rocking this for the whole evening?
Yeah.
Nice. You can call it a button-up. It's got a nice little collar. And I think the thing that I like the most that really highlights is the fact that you're wearing black socks and black flip-flops. That's just really taking the cake, bro. You know. Okay. Now, have you had a chance to think about what friend you're going to get today?
Snow leopard.
The snow leopard. And what does the snow leopard sound like? Sir, are you okay?
No.
Okay, I was afraid it sounded as if something like attacked you. Okay. All right. Thanks for joining me, my friend.
Just to give you guys a little bit of an idea of how long you might expect to stay here at the Build-A-Bears. Started at 2 o'clock. It is now 2:51.
So it's been about an hour.
And we're 17 numbers away from them calling our number. So, is it worth it? We'll find out. It's been an hour and 10 minutes.
We're gonna get taken out.
Finally gonna call our number. So let's go get this thing. Got the outfit picked out. It's got our celebratory Carnival's 50th birthday shirt, some blue shorts, and some black kicks. Next thing up, we gotta fill it up. Landon, come over here. Landon, come over here. Put your heart in there. Did you tell her the Mark Hughes special?
You have to stand there in the line and just get it stuck.
Oh, from here? Okay. Tell her Mark Hughes special. Looks painful. I feel bad for that snow leopard. Let's see it now, Landon. Now we gotta get it stitched up. Right? Please say, Landon. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's see it now. Let's see it. Just hold it up. Alright, cool. Is it fluffy? Pretty good.
77.
Alright, guys. So we're finally done.
79.
It's about an hour and 20
80.
minutes.
Right,
Took about an hour and a half, actually, to get it all said and done. We ended up paying $25.
Because we got a coupon, it would have been $55.
Would have been about $55 to $60 for everything, but by the time Landon used his coupon that he got for free coupon for participating on our show, I believe it was a Welcome Aboard show, we ended up only paying $25. So here is a look at the finished product. All in all, Landon, would you say that this is worth it, and would you recommend it to other people?
You're used to cruises, you do cruises a lot, then it's probably not worth it. But if you're not used to cruises and you don't do cruises,
Or you have little kids?
if it's like your first cruise or you have little kids, it's worth it.
It's worth it? Alright, let's see the final product. Here is the final product. It's standing up by itself. Got some nice black kicks,
I got the
blue shorts, Carnival's 50th birthday t-shirt, Very nice.
Why you standing got this? Because I got the Marquee Special.
Marquee Special.
It's-
It even comes with your own bag, Carnival
It's
bag.
extra stuff because he's so fat.
You can carry it in. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed what you see, please make sure you give us a like, share us out, and subscribe if you haven't. We'd love to have you become part of our community. Thanks so much, and as always,
They're trying to make memories.
say it to the screen, Goober.
They're trying to make memories.
See you guys. Thank you.